Introducing the Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus Robot Vacuum, a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to revolutionize household maintenance. With its innovative combination of vacuuming and mopping capabilities, this device promises to streamline cleaning routines and deliver impeccable results. Equipped with advanced LiDAR navigation technology, powerful suction, and a convenient auto-empty station, this vacuum offers a comprehensive cleaning experience. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning tasks and welcome to effortless floor care with this state-of-the-art robotic vacuum. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Vacuum and mop efficiency. This vacuum offers a convenient solution for cleaning floors by combining vacuuming and mopping functionalities in one device. This feature allows users to achieve a comprehensive cleaning in less time, addressing both dust and stains simultaneously. The smart detection system intelligently avoids carpets while mopping, ensuring every surface receives the appropriate treatment without causing any damage. Number 2. Advanced mapping technology. Equipped with an advanced LiDAR navigation system, this vacuum generates precise maps for efficient cleaning. Compared to traditional methods such as VSLAM and camera-based technology, the LiDAR system offers superior accuracy, enabling the robot to navigate through spaces more effectively. This ensures a thorough clean with minimal missed spots, saving both time and energy. Number 3. Powerful suction capability. With a maximum suction power of 3,800 pascals, this vacuum excels in deep cleaning, effectively removing dirt, debris, and even pet hair from various surfaces. This high suction power allows the device to tackle challenging cleaning tasks with ease, including crevices and carpet fibers. Moreover, the long-lasting 5,200 mAh battery provides extended cleaning sessions, offering up to 200 minutes of continuous operation on a single charge. Number 4. Convenient auto-empty station. The inclusion of an auto-empty station with a 2.5 liters dust bag enhances the convenience of this vacuum. This feature allows the robot to stay maintenance-free for up to 60 days, as the dust bag can hold 2 months' worth of vacuum debris. Additionally, the auto-seal design of the dust bag ensures mess containment, making disposal hassle-free and hygienic. Number 5. Odor elimination. One notable advantage of this vacuum is its ability to eliminate pet hair odors efficiently. The specially designed dust bag and filter work in tandem to filter particles and trap odors simultaneously. This feature is particularly beneficial for households with pets, as it helps maintain a fresh and pleasant indoor environment. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.9 inches length by 13.9 inches width by 3.7 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Ecovacs Deebot N10 Plus Robot Vacuum emerges as a game-changer in the realm of home cleaning appliances. Its seamless integration of vacuuming and mopping functions, coupled with advanced navigation technology and powerful suction capabilities, sets a new standard for efficiency and convenience. With features like the auto-empty station and odor elimination, it addresses common pain points of traditional cleaning methods, offering a hassle-free experience for users. Whether tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, this vacuum proves to be a reliable companion, ensuring sparkling clean floors with minimal effort. Say hello to a cleaner, fresher home with this remarkable robotic vacuum. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.